Learn Hindi health words fast. Illness too.
Pharmacy.
Welcome to Sick Day Hindi. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi for those dramatic moments when your body says, not today. Don't worry, this lesson is fun, useful, and much less painful than stepping on a toy brick. Today's survival words are illness, pain, fever, cold, cough, medicine, doctor, and pharmacy. In Hindi, they are
बीमारी, दर्द, बुखार, जुकाम, खांसी, दवा, डॉक्टर,
and.
pharmacy.
Say them once with me, like a brave patient filling out forms you do not understand. The Great Sneezing Mystery. Imagine this. You wake up, your nose is staging a rebellion, and your throat sounds like an old motorcycle. Let's turn that chaos into vocabulary. Ravi wakes up and says, "Oh no, I think I have an."
बीमारी,
He touches his head and whispers, "Maybe it is."
बुखार,
Then he sneezes 3 times like a dramatic opera singer and groans, "Definitely."
जुकाम,
1 second later, he starts coughing like a tiny tractor, and yes, also.
खांसी,
Quote. Poor Ravi. His body is basically sending him a group email. Word power drill. Now you will connect each English word to its Hindi partner. Short, clear, and easy to repeat aloud. Illness is
बीमारी,
a broad word for being unwell. Pain is
दर्द,
your knee, your head, or your dignity after slipping in public. Fever is
बुखार,
hot forehead, no fun. Cold is
जुकाम,
sneezing, tissues, and tea. Cough is
खांसी,
the throat drum solo. Medicine is
दवा,
tiny hero in a bottle or tablet. Doctor is
डॉक्टर,
conveniently similar to English. Pharmacy is
pharmacy.
the place where hope comes in a box. Mini dialogue at the clinic. Listen to this little scene and notice how the words work together. You can repeat each line after the pause. Patient. I have.
दर्द,
And.
बुखार,
Doctor. Do you also have?
जुकाम,
Or.
खांसी,
Patient. Yes, I think this whole.
बीमारी,
Started yesterday. Doctor. I will give you.
दवा,
Patient. Thank you.
डॉक्टर,
Doctor. Buy it from the
pharmacy.
next door. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's make these words memorable with silly images. The stranger the picture, the better your brain behaves. 4.
बीमारी,
Imagine a blanket floating over a bed announcing, "Welcome to illness headquarters." 4.
दर्द,
Imagine your elbow yelling, "Dard. Dard. I object." 4.
बुखार,
Picture a thermometer wearing sunglasses because everything is too hot. 4.
जुकाम,
Imagine a mountain of tissues sliding toward you like an avalanche. 4.
खांसी,
Picture a parrot interrupting everyone by fake coughing. 4.
दवा,
Imagine a pill bottle saying, "I am medicine, not candy, please behave." 4.
डॉक्टर,
Imagine a cat in a white coat with a stethoscope. 4.
pharmacy.
Imagine a giant glowing shop sign with pills waving hello. Your turn, say it. Now answer fast in your head, or out loud if no one is around to judge you. If someone is around, impress them. How do you say illness in Hindi?
बीमारी,
How do you say pain in Hindi?
दर्द,
How do you say fever in Hindi?
बुखार,
How do you say cold in Hindi?
जुकाम,
How do you say cough in Hindi?
खांसी,
How do you say medicine in Hindi?
दवा,
How do you say doctor in Hindi?
डॉक्टर,
How do you say pharmacy in Hindi?
pharmacy.
Useful survival sentences. These are the kinds of phrases you actually want when you feel terrible and your brain has gone on vacation. I have a fever. In Hindi.
मुझे बुखार है,
I have a cold. In Hindi.
मुझे जुकाम है,
I have a cough. In Hindi.
मुझे खांसी है.
I have pain. In Hindi.
मुझे दर्द है.
I need medicine. In Hindi.
मुझे दवा चाहिए.
I need a doctor. In Hindi.
मुझे डॉक्टर चाहिए.
I need to go to the pharmacy. In Hindi.
मुझे फार्मेसी जाना है.
Funny review challenge. Let's mix the words together one more time in a quick story. See how many you catch before I repeat them. A man walks into a
फार्मेसी.
and says, "Hello, I have."
जुकाम. खांसी.
Maybe.
बुखार.
And definitely.
दर्द.
The pharmacist says, "Sir, that sounds like a full
बीमारी.
package." The man replies, "Do I win a prize?" The pharmacist says, "Yes. You win."
दवा.
And if that does not help, go see a
डॉक्टर.
quote. Not the vacation package he wanted, but still useful. Wrap up and keep practicing. Nice work. You just learned health vocabulary that is practical, memorable, and slightly more cheerful than an actual cold. Today you practiced
बीमारी. दर्द. बुखार. जुकाम. खांसी. दवा. डॉक्टर.
and.
फार्मेसी.
Thanks for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and your Hindi will get stronger one small step at a time.